The tank behind me is a Russian T-55 model, 1977, and that particular one came out of the Czech Republic. Seamus Black brought her out from Cambridge over here.
That would do queer damage to your yard.
It takes the top of the concrete, you know, but if you can't go into tar at all, it just rips it up, you know, it does. It's too, even in dry ground, it'll still rip it up, you know, just bore off as the sods flying. So.
What speed would you get up to?
I don't know. They're supposed to do 50k now. I don't know. This is 5 forward and 1 reverse, but about the third round I feel it'll be the fastest you really need, you know.
And do you have to keep Johnny under control?
Oh, you do, aye. You do.
What sort of a shell goes in that?
That's a 100mm shell. So it's, I would say they're 40 kilos each, them shells, you know, live.
Which had to be a brave strong body.
Aye, it was a nervy job now filling them things up, you know. And
so you had to be small and you had to be strong.
Aye, it helped now. I'm brave and thick too. I know a man over in England, he's called Nick Mead, and he bought one of these out of, can't remember where. And they started to refurbish it, and they took the tanks off and noticed one of the tanks was heavy and it was empty of fuel, so they cut the hole in the bottom of it, and there were 5 gold bars inside it. So that was worth 1.2 million or something, the gold bars in it. So they handed it in to the police and that there. So that was she was captured.
Did you hand your gold bars in?
No, unfortunately they're not in. So that was a good one to find. And I actually looked at that tank and rang about the price over, but she was that rough I didn't bother with her, you know. So he was lucky boy.
You're joking me. Oh, you must.
That's true, that's true.